In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an e-signature on a PDF easily and for free using a handy tool online. Whether you're looking to sign a document quickly or need to digitally fill out a form, this method is both efficient and straightforward. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the smallpdf.com website. Small PDF is a user-friendly online platform that offers a variety of PDF tools, including a simple solution for adding e-signatures. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up. Creating an account is pretty simple and only takes a few moments. If you're returning, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is locate the upload section on the home page. This area is where you'll drag and drop your PDF file. If you prefer, you can click on the upload link to browse your files, locate the desired PDF, and start the upload process. After your document finishes uploading, you'll see your file appear on the page. Select the particular file you wish to sign, and that will open up the document in the tool interface. Keep an eye out for the tools icon, usually represented with a wrench or gear, and give it a click. This will bring up a range of tools where you'll want to look for the option labeled Sign PDF. Go ahead and click on Sign PDF, and you're now ready to add your personal touch. You'll see the option Sign Myself. Click on it, and in the next set of options, choose Sign Without a Seal. This just makes sure that your signature is included in the document without any additional overlays. Now, at the top of this section, you should see the button to create a new signature, kind of like a blank canvas for your unique digital autograph. Here's where you have a few creative choices. You can upload a previously created signature if you have one saved on your device. Alternatively, you can type your signature using your keyboard or draw it manually, which is great if you're using a touchscreen device. For ease of demonstration today, I'll show you how to use the typing method. Simply type your name or signature as you want it to appear on the document. With your signature ready, hit the Create button. You can now drag and position your signature on the document wherever it needs to go. Need to resize it to fit perfectly? Just click and drag the edges to adjust it to your preference. Once it looks just right, you're all set. Finally, to complete the process, go ahead and download your newly signed PDF. It's that simple. This file now contains your e-signature, ready for you to send or save as needed. And there you have it. Putting an e-signature on a PDF has never been easier or more accessible. Thanks for watching, and happy signing!